Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So signing out of Prime Video is quick and useful if you are using a shared or public device. Here is how to do it on any device. Okay, so first thing, open Prime Video, like launch the Prime Video app or go to the website. You have to make sure you are logged into your Amazon account first. Okay, we have more than one method. Okay, the method number one is sign out on web, like go to Prime Video. Okay, click your profile icon top right here and click sign out from here, and you will be logged out instantly. Okay, method number two is sign out on mobile, iPhone or Android. Okay, so here you have to open the app, tap my stuff, tap the setting icon or settings icon, scroll down and tap sign out okay, and confirm if you are asked. Okay, method number three, which is sign out on smart TV or console. Okay, so open Prime Video app, go to settings there and select sign out. You may also see deregister device, so both will log you out. Okay, there are some alternatives like sign out remotely. So if you lost access to a device, go to your Amazon account, open manage your contents and devices and select devices and click deregister. Okay, so this signs you out remotely. Okay, common issues like can't find sign out option, check inside settings. If you still logged in, restart the app. If shared device still active, use remote deregister option. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.